Get ready, tech fans. We're diving headfirst into the hottest news shaping the future of your devices. First up, Zevenbergen Capital Investments LLC is making waves with a significant sell-off of Advanced Micro Devices shares. We're breaking down what this move means for AMD and the broader market. And that's not all. Abner, Herrman and Brock LLC is also trimming its position in Advanced Micro Devices. We've got the inside scoop on these institutional investor adjustments and what they signal for the semiconductor giant. Switching gears from investments to innovation, get ready to meet the Dynabook RA73 officially launched in Japan as the lightest AMD laptop ever created. We're talking about a portable powerhouse that could change the game. And hold on to your hats, because GIGABYTE is here to redefine PC performance with their new AMD X870E X3D motherboard. This beast is built to push your system to the absolute limit. This is Qualcomm Pulse, and you do not want to miss this. Stick around and make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on. Major players are shifting their stakes in advanced micro devices, and you need to know why. Zevenbergen Capital Investments LLC has significantly reduced its holdings in the semiconductor titan, Advanced Micro Devices, Inc., shedding over 285,000 shares. This substantial divestment, representing a 32.4% decrease in their position, means AMD now constitutes a smaller, though still notable, 1.6% of Zevenbergen's overall portfolio. The value of their remaining stake, a cool $84.5 million. This move comes as other institutional investors, like MPWM Advisory Solutions, LLC and Farmers and Merchants Trust Co. of Chambersburg, PA, are making their own strategic adjustments, with some increasing their exposure significantly. This activity is happening against a backdrop of analyst ratings. While some, like Seaport Raise PTN, have downgraded AMD to a hold, many others, including Cantor Fitzgerald and Benchmark, are maintaining buy ratings with increased price targets, signaling a divided but generally optimistic outlook on Wall Street. The stock itself has seen fluctuations, trading within a 52-week range of $76.48 to $186.65, with a substantial market cap of $257.33 billion. Recent quarterly earnings showed revenue growth but missed EPS estimates, adding another layer to the complex financial picture. For the average viewer, these institutional trades and analyst opinions can seem distant, but they directly influence stock performance and, by extension, the future development and availability of the technology AMD powers. The market is watching closely to see if AMD can maintain its momentum despite these significant investment shifts. But don't go anywhere, because the story of AMD's market presence is far from over. Next, we're diving into how other major financial institutions are navigating their positions in this tech giant. Is AMD's market dominance facing new scrutiny from the financial world? In parallel with other significant investors, Abner, Herrman and Brock LLC has also adjusted its stake in Advanced Micro Devices, Inc., reducing its holdings by 9.2% in the second quarter. This reduction means AMD now represents 2.1% of their portfolio, a slight shift from previous holdings. This comes at a time when the semiconductor industry is experiencing dynamic shifts, with major players like Goldman Sachs Group Inc. and T. Rowe Price Investment Management Inc. dramatically increasing their investments in AMD, showcasing a complex and often contradictory sentiment among institutional investors. The broader market sentiment towards AMD remains a mixed bag. While some analysts have revised their price targets and ratings, the consensus leans towards a moderate buy. This is further complicated by insider transactions, including sales by executives like EVP Forrest Eugene Norrod and CEO Lisa Tisu, though their remaining stakes are still substantial. The company's recent earnings report revealed revenue growth year-over-year, but fell short of EPS expectations, leading to varied reactions from financial analysts who are closely monitoring its performance. For consumers and tech enthusiasts, these financial maneuvers might seem like behind-the-scenes dealings, but they play a crucial role in AMD's ability to fund research and development, potentially impacting the speed of innovation and the affordability of future technologies. But the narrative around AMD doesn't stop at financial markets. Get ready to explore how this technology is powering the next generation of portable computing. Prepare to be amazed by a laptop that redefines portability, but be warned, the price tag might make you pause. Sharp's Dynabook division has just launched the Dynabook RA73 in Japan, and it's making headlines as the absolute lightest AMD-powered notebook ever created. Weighing in at a mere 849 grams, this 13.3-inch device significantly undercuts its predecessor and most other laptops on the market, which typically tip the scales at over a kilogram. This incredible lightness is achieved through a sophisticated magnesium alloy body and slim bezels, resulting in a sleek, compact design. Under the hood, it's packed with AMD's latest Ryzen Pro and standard Ryzen processors, coupled with options for 16 GB or 32 GB of RAM and speedy PCIe SSD storage up to 1 TB. Connectivity is top-notch, featuring dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI, Gigabit Ethernet, and the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. It also boasts advanced security features like fingerprint and facial recognition, and can even be configured with 4G or 5G modems. Dynabook emphasizes its secured core PC's compliance and AI-enhanced features for video conferencing, targeting professionals who demand performance and security on the go. However, the standout feature, its extreme portability, comes at a steep cost, a price tag of approximately $3,130 USD. This premium price point for a device whose primary innovation is its weight raises questions about its value proposition for the average consumer. While the RA73 introduces refinements, its availability outside Japan remains uncertain, leaving many hopeful for a global release. The steep price, despite its groundbreaking lightweight design, has sparked discussions online about whether extreme portability justifies such a significant investment, especially when compared to other capable laptops on the market. But the evolution of AMD technology isn't just about shrinking devices. We're about to witness a massive leap in desktop PC power with a motherboard built for extreme performance. Get ready to push your PC's limits like never before with Gigabyte's latest innovation. Gigabyte is set to revolutionize desktop computing with the introduction of its new AMD X870E X3D motherboard. This cutting-edge board is engineered to unlock unprecedented levels of performance, particularly for gamers and power users who demand the absolute best. While the specifics are still emerging, the X3D designation hints at compatibility with AMD's high-performance processors, known for their stacked 3D V-cache technology, which significantly boosts gaming performance by increasing cache memory. The X870E chipset itself is designed for the latest AMD Ryzen processors, promising robust overclocking capabilities, extensive connectivity options, including PCIe 5 support for next-generation GPUs and SSDs, and advanced power delivery systems to ensure stability under heavy loads. This motherboard isn't just an upgrade. It's a platform designed to be the heart of a next-generation, high-octane PC build. It's poised to deliver a substantial performance uplift for demanding applications, from AAA gaming to complex content creation and AI workloads. Enthusiasts and tech reviewers are already buzzing about the potential of the X870E X3D, anticipating benchmark-shattering results and a new era of PC performance. The focus on AMD's X3D technology suggests a direct challenge to competitors in the high-end gaming and performance segments, promising a thrilling upgrade path for PC builders. And that brings us to the end of today's top stories. Don't go anywhere, we've got a rapid-fire recap and your next steps to stay connected. And that's a wrap on today's essential tech updates. Zevenbergen Capital Investments, LLC adjusted its AMD holdings. Abner, Herrman and Brock, LLC, also trimmed their AMD stake. The ultralight Dynabook RA73 laptop has landed in Japan, and Gigabyte's new AMD X870E X3D motherboard promises a performance revolution. If you found this pulse-bounding update valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge news, ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us on all social platforms for real-time updates and behind-the-scenes action.